Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'd like to take you through my virtual walkthrough. Since you can't be with me, I'd like to show you this property. Now, this property is located at 1635 Edmeyer Avenue Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44708. Now, what it is, it's a bungalow, which means you have all one floor living, plus then you have a bonus room upstairs. You also have an unfinished basement that has potential where the laundry would be, and then you have a nice little breezeway for a bonus, and then outside you have patio lights and a really cozy space. So let me take you through it. All right, so we're at the front door. So here we are. Give you a sense of, there's a driveway, attached garage, nice little quiet street. So when you come in the door here, you'll notice all the walls are painted. I would say it's called an amazing gray. The amazing gray is a nice color because it looks like gray, it looks like taupe, and it accents the white trim really well. And then you have, when you walk in here, you have this 3/4 inch thick oak. It's warm and inviting hardwood floor, okay? Now, if you look, there's mini blinds on all the windows, so you could just move right in. Big picture window. These are vinyl tip-in easy replacement windows that have been replaced. It's really cute. Now, this would be the dining area. See, a lot of times with bungalows, you don't have formal dining, but off of the dining area, you have a kitchen. So let's take a peek. So everything's the same color, looks really nice. Now in here, this would be the kitchen, okay? Now you could put a cafe table in here if you'd like. A lot of people don't like formal dining, but again, you got the space if you want it, or you can make it like a little office area, and then you could put your cafe table here. So it's really a cute, quaint kitchen. You have RO for reverse osmosis, painted cabinets. Now here's the breezeway I was mentioning. So this is neat. Just a nice little three-season-y type room. Again, same color, amazing gray, white trim. The replacement windows are vinyl. And then this would be the little private patio. It's off the front, but you could see it's pretty nice. You could set a little fire pit there if you wanted, and maybe just a relaxing area. And then you got the patio lights. So you could sit here in the evening and just have a nice, quiet time. Then you have your garage through this door, and then of course you can go on out if you'd like. So, and then here's your fireplace area. So let's take a look to the bedrooms now. Oh, by the way, the floor. This particular floor is what's called a laminate. It looks like wood, but it's a laminate. But when you get over here going into the dining room, living room, a little different animal. Okay, so now we're going to go to the bathroom and the bedrooms. So here's your hallway linen closet. The first bedroom, looks like they have cable plugged into a couple areas here too. You can see it coming up either through the wall or the floor. Vinyl replacement windows in here, LED lighting. So it's pretty efficient. Closet. I like the color theme, it's real popular. So now we go into the second bedroom here, another closet, same setup as the other. White outlets, it just looks fresh. Move right in. So now the bathroom, you see there's a vent above the glass block window there. And then the floor is tile. I'll give you a close-up so you can see the pattern. It blends nicely with the wood. In here, it's amazing gray as well. So you have a new, looks like a new tub here, a big tub or a soaker tub. Tile. Okay. So this is your main level. All right, let's see what we have here. So in this case, the bungalow part would be the upstairs. So let's take a look. Looks like new carpeting here. It's like a frise. Plenty of storage up here, gee whiz. You got storage here. When you come up to the top of the steps and you have this big area. So, you know, really, the ceiling's quite high. You could technically, here to the left, put a little desk or a computer. Here's another nook. Plenty of storage here. Yeah, so this would be the bedroom. So this would be 3 bedrooms, really. Amazing gray, white trim. Give you a perspective of it. So if you're standing all the way back here, so this would be the bedroom portion. This could have other storage or a little computer area. You know, you tuck the desk in back here so you don't bang your head on the wall. All right, let's go back downstairs. All right, we might as well take a look at the basement while we're at it. All right, let's do that. All right, so now this is nothing sexy or anything, but it is nice and clean. Let's get you down here and take a look. Okay. So over here, you see a slop sink, I call it. But you have your washer and dryer hookup, and then over here is your 220 for electric. All right, gas meter. There's a sump pump in the corner because this basement looks like it was waterproofed. I can tell by the walls. This is a breaker box with 100 amp service, okay? Looks like nice modern wires. Okay, so it's pretty much just all open, plenty of storage. Okay, the main, you have city water and sewer, which is nice. And then it looks like there's a water softener here. Don't know if it works, but it's here. All right. So the furnace, this is what's called a forced air furnace. It's a train. You always hear the commercials, you can't stop a train. And it does have central air conditioning, okay? I would like to thank you for tuning in today and seeing my virtual walkthrough. If you're interested in this property or others like this, you can go to dominicfonte.com. Or if you want to reach out to me and just get more information, call me at 330-418-1535. Or send me an email, dominic@dominicfonte.com. Thank you.